And moving next, we have a heartfelt speech by one of our talented student, Irene Sultana, guided by our expected Salahuddin sir.
सारे जहां से अच्छा ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इनकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. Assalamu alaikum and good morning respected teachers, principal sir, chairman sir, guests and my dear friends. I am Irene Sultana, a student of standard 8, and I'm honored to stand before you all to speak on a topic that makes every Indian's heart beat with pride, our Independence Day. Today is not just a date in the calendar, it's the soul of our nation. It marks the day India breathed freely for the first time after 200 years of British rule. Independence Day is not just about hosting the national flag or singing the national anthem. It is about remembering and respecting the journey that brought us here. Why? Why is Independence Day so important? Independence Day holds immense significance even more than 7 decades after 1947. Why? Because it reminds us of the struggles, sacrifices, and resistance of our freedom fighters. It gives us our national identity. The three-color flag, our constitution, our language, and rights all begin with independence. It teaches us to value our freedom, something that was earned through blood, tears, and courage. Now we must wonder, what was British rule like? Let us never forget the truth about colonialism. The British didn't come to help us. They came to exploit us. They looted India's wealth, destroyed our industries, and made us dependent. They pushed farmers into poverty, causing countless deaths during famine. Innocent people were killed in Jallianwala. Innocent people will kill in brutal acts such as Jallianwala Bagh massacre. India, once called the golden bird, were reduced to poverty and suffering, but we did not remain silent forever. We should always remember our freedom was not a gift. It was earned through the courage of men and women who gave up their everything for the country, like Gandhiji. Fought with weapons, gave all the strongest weapon, non-violence. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Azad Hind Fauj and said, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Bhagat Singh, hanged at 23, smiled in the face of death. Rani Lakshmi Bai, a warrior queen, showed that even women can fight bravely. Many others like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, Maulana Azad, and many countless unknown heroes fought not for fame but for freedom. They once lived for the dream of a free India, and that dream we are living today. Some may ask, India is already independent, so why keep celebrating? Because Independence Day is not just about removing rulers. It is about how we live every day with dignity, justice, and responsibility. Ask yourself, are we using this freedom to study, grow, and uplift others? Are we fighting against corruption, discrimination, and hate? Are we making India stronger, cleaner, and more peaceful? Independence is not a one-time event. It is our daily duty. So what's the role of us, the youth of India? We, the youth, are the heartbeat of this nation. Our freedom fighters gifted us this independence. हम वो आग है जो कभी बुझती नहीं, हम वो हिम्मत है जो कभी झुकती नहीं, वतन के लिए हम रुकते नहीं, हम वो जवानी है जो कभी थकती नहीं. And we must give India a better tomorrow. Let us not just scroll but think. Let us not just dream but work. Let us not just wish but do. We must be brave like Bhagat Singh in facing challenges, honest like Gandhiji in our action, and united like India itself. This freedom was earned through sacrifice, not served on a plate. Let's protect it with courage, live it with pride, and lead with purposes. We are not just citizens, but the future of India. And I would like to end my lecture with a shairi. लहराए ये तिरंगा, रहे ये आसमान तक, गूंजेगा भारत का नाम हर एक इंसान तक. खून से लिखी है कहानी, कुर्बानी की पहचान, जब तक है सांसें रहे भारत का नाम. Thank you everyone and happy Independence Day.
Thank you so much, Irene, for sharing these powerful words with us so that now we can say, मेरा हिंदुस्तान सारे जहां से अच्छा है.
That was truly inspiring. Please give a huge round of applause for our speaker for sharing those amazing words with us.